Hello everyone, my name is Kumar. Welcome to studentscando.com. Now I am going to tell you about the things which are very important for student life success. If you follow or learn all these things, definitely you will be having great success. I am sure 100% success is guaranteed with all these things. The first one is every student has to know his responsibilities or her responsibilities. And next one, they have to know how to set goals. And next one, they must know how to have positive personality. And next one, they have to identify their personal strength. And next one, they must be very good at planning. Later, they must know what are the things that are their time killers. That means they have to know about time killers. And next one, they must know how to solve problems or face problems. And next one, fear of failure. How to overcome fear of failure or fear of rejection or fear of criticism. And next one, they should know about trying. That means do not quit trying. And next one, they must know what are the key success factors. Later, they have to know about secret to success. And next one, they must know about habits of successful people. Next, they have to know about time management and stress management also. And next one, tips for memory. And next one, secret to a relationship. They have to know about reading comprehension and different languages. I mean formal language and informal language differences. Next one, they have to know about how to get high rank or gold medals. Next one, they must know about confidence. At the same time, they must know one inspiring person's speech, that is called APJ Abdul Kalam Sir's speech. Next one, they must be excellent at soft skills, that is communication skills in English. Next one, they must be having leadership qualities. Next, they must know about decision making. Next, they have to know about concentration. And interpersonal skills also should be known by each and every student. Next one, they have to know about how to work in teams. And next, if you want to become like an engineer or police or collector, for many kinds of jobs, you must be good at arithmetic, reasoning, English verbal topics and minimum GK, etc. If you learn all these things, definitely you are going to get qualified in the test. Okay, next one, you have to know about group discussions and interview skills. And last one, the secret to money. If you learn all these things or if you are good at all these things, then you can go for marriage also. Then you are not going to face any problems. This is my personal opinion. But please try to learn or know about all these things. Definitely success is yours. I hope this is very useful to each and every student. All the best. Thank you for watching.